Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change speed units on your Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Pro in the Xiaomi Home app. Now we're gonna click on the three dots right up here, and in the device settings we have the speed unit. Now we can change it to kilometers per hour, which is the metric system, and we can also change it to miles per hour, which is the imperial system. So here we can choose both of these systems. For example, I'll choose miles per hour now, and everything is changed. As you guys can see, we can go over and we even change the startup speed setting. Now it goes from 2 to 3 miles per hour, but normally it is from 3 to 5 kilometers an hour. So that's what you guys can do here, and that's how you guys can change it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.